Nick and Kate's cooking show. What are we making today, Caitlin?
Today we'll be making a bread turkey chili copycat recipe.
Awesome.
Turkey,
We got ground turkey,
celery,
pre-chopped carrots, that way we don't have to chop. Celery that I gotta chop, sweet onion, vegetable stock, tomato paste, got a can of corn, tomatoes with habanero.
Yeah, that's what I told you that we needed. Pureed tomatoes, and you said just use the rotel that we already have.
Garbanzo beans and red kidney beans. Do we not have any more in the back?
No, that's
We don't have
it.
any with green chilies?
No, that's it.
This is gonna be really hot for you.
Good thing I bought chicken salad.
Alright, well, we're making hot chili.
That's all we have. Coconut milk, will that work?
Yeah, that's tomatoes. But first,
Step 1.
what are we doing?
Did you wash your hands?
Oh, good. Always wash your hands, folks. Rub-a-dub-dub. Just hands, gotta scrub those hands. Knife for chopping.
Chop veggies and add to stock pot.
Okay, let's do this one, and that one, and that one, and that one. Let me go rinse these off because they got some dirt on them.
It says 2. How many carrots do you think that is?
Half a bag, at least. We're gonna wing it. Half a bag. Chop song.
This was over before.
That's not a chop song. You gotta finish it.
Interesting.
There we go. Next.
You gotta chop the onion.
Alright, chop an onion now. Off. Just a half an onion? They call for the whole.
It says 8 ounces.
Alright, we're gonna do a half an onion. Don't cut your fingers off. Okay.
Look at that nice Jedi ring.
Turn like this. Look at there. Chopping these onions right up, boys. Girls. And there's our onions. Fritos. I guess we'll just match what we got here.
Okay.
How do you say that in Spanish?
Zanorias.
Say it again.
Zanorias.
Zenorias? Zenorias. In case you wanted to,
I think.
in case you wanted to learn Spanish. But we'll just kind of match what we got here, you know? All of our vegetables are now chopped up. And it's garlic. I don't ever measure this, so when I go on, we just kind of add this bad boy.
Do you want a spoon?
Yeah. We'll spoon the minced garlic out.
2 cloves.
I'm guessing it's 2 spoonfuls. 2 scoops. Got our vegetables. What's next?
Add to stock pot.
Yeah. Nice. That's a lot of veg.
Oh no!
She missed.
This is why cooking takes me forever.
Alright, our sponsor for today is the Pampered Chef. It's all sitting in for 10 minutes. Vegetables. Alright, so what do we need? What kind of seasoning? Salt and pepper. Pepper. Salt.
Cumin.
Cumin. Chili powder. Anything else?
Crushed red pepper.
Chili powder. Crushed red pepper. Throw in the spices in.
Jeez.
Yeah, I know. That's why I only did one. As y'all can tell, Caitlin loves cooking. we've got that sauteed. Now we add turkey, tomato paste, and stock. Hey girl, watch this. Watch this.
That didn't work at all.
Watch this. Watch this.
Hey y'all, watch this.
I'm doing all the hard stuff here. Just a necking girl. Just a necking girl. Just a necking girl. Just a necking. Smells a little spicy. Then I'm gonna put it. Ooh, look at that steamer. Oh, can. I like that. Starting to actually look like soup. Woo! Don't do it like that. Put the meat in. Gonna stir it up a little bit. Then we simmer for 30. And then we wait. And we go play music, right? Now we put all the beans and stuff in. Are you ready to put the beans in? Yes, I'm ready to put the beans in. Get the juice off. Yeah. Pouring in the corn. Now we just stir it all together. We simmer for another 15 minutes. There you have it. Turkey chili. For more recipes, follow Nick and Kate.
Or don't.
Alright. For more cooking tips and cooking ideas, follow Nick and Kate on our website at nickandkatecooks.com, which is not real, so don't go look for it. Just watch us on YouTube. If you like this, like and subscribe. And if you want more, leave a comment or let us know and we'll do another one. But we'll see you next time on Nick and Kate Cooks. Right?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. See ya. Bye bye.